My favorite place with my favorite people. Good morning, guys. So we're back in Hawaii. I've just packed up my bags. We're about to get on the road. So why am I back in Hawaii? Let me explain. Pretty much all of my friends are on the island right now. I heard Sienna's coming back tomorrow. Basically, I just wanted to see my friends some more because it's just a really amazing time to be here. Pretty much everything slows down by December 20th. So I'm leaving on December 15th and then I'm gonna go with my family and do some Christmas stuff with them. But I figured while everyone is on the island, I might as well just come back and enjoy their company and just have a good time. So anyway, I have my backpack and we're gonna go to the Sunrise Shack. Let's go. Oh, that's alarming. I didn't lock my door at night. My bikini is a really old bikini from a company called Tavik. Doubt they even sell it anymore, but there we go. So, the only rental car that they had available was a VW convertible, which is like, honestly, it was my dream car growing up. Fun fact, I bought one for $2,000 off Craigslist and it broke the next day. That's a whole story time. But basically, I lost $2,000 to a crappy Volkswagen Beetle. But it's actually a really cute car, drives really well.
Dance yet?
Yeah, no, but I'm sorry, that was the rule. I said I wouldn't dance in white shorts, but
yeah.
Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you.
Guys, it is another day of Vlogmas in Hawaii. Currently about 1 o'clock p.m. I've been up since about 8:30. But yeah, it's pretty late in the day. It's just a really gloomy day, so pretty much everyone is just on a really low frequency schedule today. It's also really cold, which is weird for Hawaii. Usually if it's a rainy day, it's still like a little bit warm. But it's just a really cold day today, so I've basically just been editing all day. I think I've convinced my friend Koa to go get food with me, which would be epic, and he's supposed to be picking me up. So hopefully he's here soon because I'm kind of hangry. Like it's 1 p.m. and my stomach is empty. So yeah, I'm just basically waiting for him to show up. It's a pretty lazy day today, so I wonder where this day is gonna take us. Hopefully we do something really fun. I think we're gonna all go get dinner tonight. But yeah, it's just a really lazy day. I will see you guys when Koa gets here. If he gets here, which he better because I'm starving. See a truck outside. Doubt that's him because he has a black truck and this truck is gray. Yeah, I don't know.
Time for
Good morning, guys. It is another day in Hawaii. So basically, here's the situation. Yesterday was my friend Travis's birthday. Well, actually his birthday's today, but we celebrated yesterday on the beach. We had a beach party and I was going to drive to the beach party. Like I was planning on driving, my car was packed, everything was inside of it, but my friends convinced me to drive with them and I rushed and grabbed all my stuff from my car and I left my vlog camera in my car the entire day. So luckily though, I brought my big camera that I film all my main channel videos with, so I filmed some clips from the beach party and yeah, this is what you missed on the beach party.
Make sure that you guys know I'm so nervous! Cookie dough kicking in or I'm just really nervous.
Dear Travis, happy birthday to you.
Yeah, there's another talk if you guys want it.
Third eye. really good.
Another time other than the one that is already on everyone's bodies? Yeah. I brought you.
Oh my god!
No!
It happened twice!
Away from you. What if right is wrong? What if right is wrong? What if right is wrong? I don't wanna run, I don't wanna run away from you. What if right is wrong? What if right is wrong? What if right is wrong? Can someone show me why? Will I ever make it out in time? Will I ever make it out alive? I don't wanna run, I don't wanna run. What if right is wrong? What if right is wrong? What if right is wrong? I don't wanna run, I don't wanna run away from you. What if right is wrong? What if right is wrong? What if right is wrong? I don't wanna run, 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 run. I don't wanna run, 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 run.
Then we're nothing alike.
Okay, anyway, back to reality, back to today. Oh, there's the sun. Probably just for 1 second. It is a new day. Bree's here. Bree got in yesterday. She's back there somewhere. Today we just basically woke up, drank some coffee. I did a little bit of editing, posted an Instagram photo, and it's just been raining pretty much all morning, but the sun came out just like kind of a little bit. So I think we're gonna head to the beach. I'm definitely gonna pack a sarong just in case the rain comes again so I can shield my face. But yeah, we're gonna pack up and we're gonna go to the beach and have a beach day. So let's go. Let's go. Also, I just wanted to say that I've been loving all of your guys' comments on every vlog. It really inspires me to keep uploading vlogs like really frequently. So if you want to comment something down below, I have been pretty much liking every single nice comment on my vlogs. I know sometimes you guys think that like maybe your comment won't be noticed or something, but I see all of the comments. So if you comment something nice and I'm on the comment section checking YouTube, I even check older vlog comments as well. Probably get a like on your comment. So thank you guys for commenting. It means a lot.
Please don't rain.
Where is that coming from?
Needs to go away though. Oh, that's a big cloud.
Oh, we're currently on the beach. It's like 20% sunny. Oh,
Come on, sun.
80% rainy.
Oh, that's nice. That's really
Ooh,
nice.
yes, we love.
Yes. Stay.
Come through, sun.
Oh, there's a big cloud.
Oh, I don't think it's going that way. Look, the trees are pushed. So what's our plan if like it starts to rain? Like what are we gonna do all day? Where's Earthy Andy? Where's baby Nalu? Can we go surfing?
Where?
I don't know. I mean, might as well full send it in the water if it's gonna be raining. I brought a spring suit though.
Oh, did you?
My arms are gonna be nice and warm. Oh, you're doing it!
Me too? Oh, what'd you do? No, don't taste it, don't taste it.
That's fine.
Gross.
She's tough.
Apple cider vinegar shots.
Tough girl.
I'm not taking any of
This
those.
tastes worse.
No, this
This
better.
tastes worse.
Wait, what did you have?
Tastes worse.
Get it down. Drink.
Ew, I smell it. Wait, what did you have?
It's noni.
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 Ew.
What is that? We love
I
it.
like apple cider vinegar better.
Okay, you want some of it too?
Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I'm actually gonna end the vlog here because I didn't make a vlog ending last night. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys. Have a good day. This is weird. I haven't done a vlog exit. I haven't properly ended any of my Vlogmas videos until right now. So this feels weird. But it's the next day, so I'm gonna be vlogging today. And yeah, love you guys. Comment down below what you thought of this vlog, and I will see you guys either tomorrow or the next day. So turn notifications on so you get notified when I upload my next vlog. And yeah, love you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.